friends, Namaste. I'm Vasanta from VS Gardens. Today I want to show you how my garden is in August, and that is August update. I have already kept one video on June how my garden is in English, and now I'm going to show you in how it is in August. So I have been doing these videos in Telugu, but some of them are not able to understand the language, so I'm doing in English and Hindi also. So in this video, I want to show you what all trees I'm having. So this one is, as you know, this is a guava tree, and I'm having a lot of see, buds are there, flowers are there, and fruits are also coming up. See here, small fruit is there. So this one is I have this Taiwan guavas, three guava trees are there, and next these are papayas, and then they say they'll take some time for me to get the fruit. And this one is Mosambi. And next I'm having what trees I'm having here. This is custard apple. Custard apple I have, then pomegranate I'm having, which is just coming up with small flowers. Little flowers are coming up. You can see that red one. So this is coming up for me. And this is anjur. I love this anjur so much, and I have taken one fruit also, and again fruits are coming up. I'm very happy with it. And next one, what I'm having is custard apple. Custard apple is there, and then chiku is there. Yeah, chikkus are there. Chiku down, one big plant is there. I'll show you when I'll go down. And that big, from that plant, from the tree, I'm taking so many of them. So many chikkus I have harvested. And next, these are the mango trees. This is Dubai mango tree. It seems he has given. I don't know how far it will come up. So next one is Mosambis I have, and next what I'm having is custard apple. I have taken a lot of there's water apples, and this one you can see here, so nice it is. This is muskmelon. Muskmelons also I have taken a lot of muskmelons, and they were very tasty, and I just now found that it is 100 rupees per muskmelon it seems. So I'm very happy that one more is coming up. We can sow some more, and we can get more also. So next what I'm having is these mango trees. So next, what is there? Vegetables. Coming to the vegetables point, I have these bottle gourds. See here. So I have these bottle gourds, and yeah, so many vegetable fats are there. Rich gourd is there. See here, rich gourd is there. Rich gourd, see, so many rich gourds are coming up there. And I have that bitter gourd plant at the back, the climber at the back. And beans are there. See here, beans are there. See here, and they are coming up, flowering up. See, flowers are coming up, and I'll be having getting some more harvesting. I can harvest some more from these. And next I have this bottle gourd, rich gourd, beans, and this ivy gourd is also there. See here, ivy gourd. Even ivy gourd is coming up with some. Oh, so cute, isn't it? So many are coming up, see, with flowers. Okay, so cute. See here? See, so nice. No. So these plants, these climbers, I have kept 5 of them here, and I'll be getting so many from them. So this is long beans. I have long beans. See here. This, I have taken a lot of long beans from here, and this here you can find tomatoes here, and I didn't get tomatoes much, but I have to concentrate on them. And next one, and next brinjals. Brinjal plants are there. Brinjals I have taken a lot. Brinjals are there. Then cucumbers are there. Cucumbers also I have taken lot of cucumbers. So here one more is here. I have taken many of the cucumbers from this garden. So many cucumbers I have taken. So these are the plants I have in this section. I have done like this so that they creep well and give me better harvest. So these are all growing up, and in my next episode I will show you how these what all I am getting and how much harvest I am getting from these plants. So again, I have some flowering plants and all. See here, you can see from some flowering plants. These and next all brinjals I am having, okras I am having, And next, this is also a flowering plant. When it blooms, I will show you. And next, this is the hibiscus plant here, and this is a pineapple. Pineapple, I have taken the cuttings of cutting and put cutting of the fruit and just put it there. So it's coming up, and it will take a lot of time. Okay, this is the okra. I have a lot of vegetables also. Amaranth I have. So many leafy vegetables I have taken. I'll just show you. This is the curry leaf. Okay, curry leaf is very important for in our curries to add in this curry. This is a tamarind plant also I'm having. See, these tender leaves are very tasty, and I'll be harvesting sometimes. And drumstick also, which is very important in our garden. So it's full of flowers. Drumsticks are there, and this taro plant is there. Taros I may get, so I can harvest taros. This is turmeric. This is turmeric, and I love this plant very much because it is so green. So green, it is very green. And this is the lilies are coming up, see. So nice. Lilies are coming up, and I will be going, that is warm, ajwain. I'll be using this a lot. Ajwain plant is there. Then next one, what I'm having is, just go around and see what I'm having. I'm so happy with this little garden, and just I'm going to tell you what more I'm having. See, just here, this is a leafy vegetables. Then amaranth is there, and what more I'm having. Yeah, this is also is there. This also can be used. Here you can see this leafy vegetable here. I'm using these leafy vegetables also, and that is what this is update here. See, some flowers are coming up, and they are so promising. Like, I think I'll be getting a lot of veggies from this garden. Okay, I'll show you next what I'm having. See, so many flowers are coming up from this guava trees. And fruit section, I'm having so many of, I've already showed you now. So this is what my update is of August. So next I'll be coming up with one more episode. Until then, thank you, and see that if you like the video, you please share it to your friends and subscribe and press the bell icon so that you can get my next videos. Okay then, thank you. Bye. So these are the this is the harvest I have got today. I have already posted one video in English. No, this is the harvest today I have got. So like this, I'll be getting 2-3 days, 2-3 days. So even one small harvest, very small harvest, I'll be showing also. So these I have this 2 ridge gourds and long beans I have. I'll be taking long beans once in a while every time. And these ivy gourds are coming up. Those are cucumbers, and that is bendi, okras, and all. See here, all leafy vegetables are here. So this is more than enough for me, because our family is very small. And if suppose if anyone wants to grow more and get more vegetables or like that, they have to compulsory see that their plants are being well fertilized every week, and at least by 15 days they'll get these vegetables more and more. So according to if we take care about them, and we take a lot of care about them regarding these fertilizers and all, then they'll get more and more. And moreover, they have to plant more if they want to. More plants. Go for more plants if they want to get more vegetables out of it. Okay, when I'm as per me, I'm only a small. We are having a small family here, so that is why these are enough. So I didn't bother about growing more and more vegetables. Okay then, thank you. Bye.